The input vector is given by single column vector u1 of t, u2 of t till um of t. The output vector is given by single column vector y1 of t, y2 of t till yp of t. State variable vector is given by the column matrix x of t is equal to x1 of t, x2 of t till xn of t. The different variables are represented by the vectors or column matrix as shown. We know the state formulation, state space formulation, the definition of state, state variables, state variable formulation. Now, let us look on into state equations. The state variable representation can be arranged in the form of n number of first order differential equations. Since the number of state variables are dependent upon time, it is given by dx1 divided by dt is equal to x1 dot equal to function of state variables and input variables. Similarly, the next differential equation corresponding to the second state variable is given by dx2 divided by dt is equal to x2 dot is equal to the function f2 comprising of state variables as well as input variables. This can be extended till nth state variable. It is given by the corresponding function for the nth state variables comprising of input variables and state variables. In general, the number of differential equations can be written in vector notation as x dot of t is equal to function of x of t, comma u of t. The set of all possible values which the input vector u of t can have at the time instant t, it forms the input space of the system. Similarly, the set of all possible values which the output vector can assume at time t forms the output space of the system. And the set of all possible values which the state vector capital X of t can assume at time t forms the state space of the system. the generalized vector notation of n number of differential equations is given by x dot of t is equal to function of x of t comma u of t. That is function of state variables and input variables. The next topic is state model of linear time continuous system. So this can also be given as state model of linear and time invariant systems. We know that state space analysis is a powerful tool or technique for the analysis and design of control systems. The analysis and design of linear systems, nonlinear systems, time invariant systems, time varying systems, MI/MO systems are possible using the state space method. If we know the state model of linear time continuous system, then it is possible to derive for the discrete time systems also. Now, let us look on into the state model of linear time continuous system. We know that state model consists of state equation and output equation. The state equation of the system is a function of state variables and inputs. Recall the representation of state space as a block diagram. We have u number of input variables, p number of output variables and n number of state variables. So, if we write the equations of the state model, obviously we will have two equations. One is the state equation and another one is the output equation. State equation, as we saw in the previous slide, it is the function of state variables and input. It is given by the vector notation x dot of t is equal to function of x of t comma u of t. The state variable representation is given in the form of n number of first order differential equations. Applying that concept over here, for a linear time invariant system, the first derivatives of state variables can be expressed as a linear combination of state variables and inputs. x1 dot is equal to a11 into x1 plus a12 into x2 plus it extends till n state variables plus B11 into U1, the first input variable, B12 into U2 till it extends to M input variable. Similarly, x2 dot is given by A21 into x1 plus A22 into x2 till it extends up to A2n into x1 plus B21 into u1 plus B22 into u2, and it extends till M input variable. Similarly, it can be extended till nth state variable as xn dot is equal to an1 x1 plus an2 x2 till ann xn plus bn1 u1 plus bn2 u2 till bmn um. Here, the coefficients an and bn are constant. Just recollect the principle of homogeneity for a linear time invariant system. For a linear time invariant system, the coefficients are constant. In matrix form, the equations can be rewritten as, on the left hand side, single column matrix, or a vector given by x1 dot, x2 dot till xn dot is equal to, on the right hand side, the coefficients are represented by the coefficient matrix. It extends from A11 till ANN and multiplied with the state variables x1, x2 till xn plus the coefficients of the input are given by B11 till Bnm and the input vector u1 till um. The differential equations are rewritten in matrix form for convenience. This matrix equation is also rewritten as x dot of t is equal to a into x of t plus b into u of t. X of t is called as state vector of the order n cross 1. It is a single column matrix of the order n cross 1. And similarly, input vector is of the order m cross 1. It is also a single column matrix.